Pfizer could apply for emergency use authorization for a booster shot next month. The company saying Wednesday new early data shows a third COVID vaccine jab generates a significant jump in protection against the more transmissible Delta variant. And the drug maker signaling it could release vaccine data for kids 5 to 11 years old by the end of September. The WHO weighing in on the prospect of boosters.
This is a very hot topic. We are not recommending boosters at this point because there isn't enough information.
And in its latest weekly update, the WHO says the number of confirmed COVID fatalities has increased sharply, with over 69,000 deaths, a 21% increase compared to the previous week, most reported in the Americas and Southeast Asia, and cases rose by 8% worldwide. Infections are surging in Thailand, where an airport cargo warehouse is being transformed into a field hospital, as the country reports a record more than 16,000 new cases Wednesday. Indonesia in mourning, daily COVID deaths just hitting an all-time high there of more than 2,000. South Korea struggling to contain a fourth wave. New restrictions now going into effect as the nation confirms its highest ever daily increase. Australia's largest city will remain in lockdown for another month to stem a Delta-driven spike. Sydney has been under stay-at-home orders since late June. Tanzania's president kicking off her country's COVID vaccination campaign Wednesday. That's marking a dramatic U-turn from her predecessor, who rejected vaccines and dismissed the threat of the pandemic. The African nation received its first shipment of Johnson & Johnson shots last week. And we're keeping a close watch on the coronavirus situation in Tokyo, where the Olympics are in full swing. Now, new cases there just hitting another record high. New infections just topping 3,000 for the first time. Now, Tokyo is under a state of COVID emergency, and the games have been deeply unpopular among locals. They fear the event could become a super spreader event. Nationwide, the number of new cases across Japan just exceeded 9,000 for the first time. Melissa Duggan, City News.